Hey everybody, we're on Interstate 16 West, just coming into Macon, or not far from Macon, about 11 miles. And this accident up here happened just a little bit ago, just as we came around that last curve back there. So don't really know what's going on, but when I came around the curve and I saw one vehicle sideways in the left lane. Maybe we'll learn a little more as we come up here, but the thing to make note of here is there's no doubt, and it's not raining nearly as hard now as it was a minute ago, but the rain was definitely a contributing factor in this accident. So when it's raining, and especially the heavier the traffic gets, slow down. I'd rather get there a little late than not get there at all. So be patient, slow down, and maybe everyone can be safe. Well, there appears to be a lot of debris on the road here, so I'm going to move as far to the right as I can. I really don't need any tires, but it appears that that pickup truck probably coming down that hill, and as hard as it was raining, probably began to hydroplane and went into the wire guard barrier, and there was just one vehicle involved, thank God. But the point is, slow down and get there. You know, it's Friday the 13th today, and well, I guess it superstition rang true for that man, but it doesn't have to. We have control of our own destiny, and you can have control of your own car. Use your head. When it's raining and you're using your wipers, be sure to please turn on your headlights and slow down and pay a little closer attention to what everyone else is doing. We'll all get there safely. Alright, that's it. I'm going to shut my mouth now. Hey, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And give me a thumbs up, like this video. And if you haven't already, I would sure appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing, but it sure helps the channel and helps me develop more content for you guys to enjoy. Thanks. We'll talk to you all later.